See the third question, children. The length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. So they are given the radius r as, what is the radius r? The length of the minute hand, isn't it? That is 14 centimeter. Then first we must find out the central angle theta. For finding the central angle, question number 3, they are given that the length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. So directly theta value is not given in the question. Instead of that, they are given in minutes. Okay. So first you must find out angle described by minute hand in 60 minutes. What is angle described by a minute hand in 60 minutes? Angle described by a minute hand in 60 minutes is equal to, in 60 minutes is equal to 360 degree. Angle described by minute hand in 1 minute. Therefore, angle described by the minute hand in 1 minute. So, how will you find out 1 minute? 360 divided by 60. Okay. So, this is equal to 60 degree. So, angle described by the minute hand in 1 minute is 6 degree. We must find out angle described by the minute hand in 5 minutes. Isn't it? Therefore, angle described by the minute hand in how much minutes? 5 minutes is equal to 6 into 5, that is 30 degree. So we got the value as theta as 30 degree. So what is the radius given in this question? Length of the minute hand is acting as the radius. Okay. So length of minute hand is what? Length of minute hand is equal to, yes, 14 centimeter. Therefore, area swept by the minute hand, area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes is equal to, theta by 360 into pi r square is equal to theta by 360. Theta is 30. 30 divided by 360 into 22 by 7 into r square. 14 into 14. So 2 7s are 14. 0 and 0 get cancelled. 12. 3s are 36. Okay. Then 6 2s are 12. 11 2s are 22. Again this 2 and 6 3 times. So 11 into 14 divided by 3. 11 into 14 is 154. So 154 divided by 3, we will get the answer as 51.36 centimeter square. Next, let us see question number 4. Look at the question. A chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter subtends a right angle at the center. So we are having a circle. The chord, center of the circle you have to mark as O, and a chord AB. It subtends the center at 90 degree. they are given that right angle means it is 90 degree. What is the radius here? 10 centimeter. So this is 10 centimeter. Okay. So this is the diagram based on this question. So see that they ask you to find out, the first part of the question is what, children? Minor segment, area of the minor segment. First part, area of the minor segment. So this part is the minor segment, isn't it? So area of minor segment, how will you find out? Area of sector OADB minus area of triangle, right triangle OAB, isn't it? So first part is area of minor segment equal to area of sector OADB minus area of right triangle OAB or AOB. You can write triangle AOB because 90 degrees angle O, so I will keep the middle letter as O. Okay, so area of sector OADB minus area of right triangle AOB. So what is area of a right triangle? What is the formula? Half BH. Okay, so we can apply area of triangle as half BH. Base and height are here. This is acting as, both are acting as radius. So each line is perpendicular to each other. So breadth and height both same, 10. Okay. Then area of sector, what is the formula? Theta by 360 into pi r square minus half BH. So first I am writing the formula, then we can substitute the value. Instead of finding each one separately, we can do it together. Okay. So theta value is 90 degrees. So 90 by 360 into 22 by 7 into our radius is 10. 10 into 10 minus 1 by 2 into breadth and height. Sorry, base and height both 10. So 0 and 0 get cancelled. 4 9s are 36. Okay. Then 2 2s are 4, 11 2s are 22. Again this 2 we can cancel by 5. So 11 5s are 55. 55 into 10. 550 divided by 7 minus 5 tenths are 50. Take LCM. So this is equal to 550 minus 7 5s are 35. So minus 350 divided by 7. That is 200 divided by 7. That is equal to 28.5. That is equal to 200 divided by 7. This equal to 200 divided by 7. That is equal to, what will come? 28.5 centimeter square. 28.5 centimeter square. Next, what is the second part of the question? Second part, they ask you to find out the area of major sector, isn't it? So see that. So listen, here they ask you to use the pi value as 3.14 for major segment. Sorry, major sector. Okay, so we can use both as 3.14. We will get more or less the same value only for the final solution also. No problem with that. But if they mentioned it in bracket means we must apply the pi value as 3.14. So second part of the question, major area of major sector. Suppose if I am writing this as C, what is area of major sector? Major sector is, this is minor sector. Okay. So major sector is area of OACB. Okay. Area of major sector is area of OACB. So see that this full angle is 360 degree. So first we must know what is theta here. In the major sector, Totally 360. So what about this angle, children? Angle, this one is 270. Isn't it? Theta equal to what? 270. 360 minus 90. So we will get the theta value as 270. So this is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Here our theta is 360 minus 90 because it is a major sector. So we will get 270. Okay. So this as 270 divided by 360 into 3.14 into r square, 10 into 10. Because they mentioned 3.14 in bracket. So we can do with that. Then simplify with this one. 9 table, if we are simplifying, means how many 9s are 27? 3 9s are. 4 9s are 36. Okay. Then can we simplify this one? You see that? 7 4s are 28. Then 334, it is not possible. So 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10. Again this 2 5. So 5 5s are 25, 25 3s are 75 into 3.14. All of you multiply it and write the final answer. Are you getting that as 235.7? Check it, okay? Centimeter square.